Yeah, I was taking a video. Yeah. Wow, great, isn't it? There's something of a conveyor belt operating right now, taking moisture from the Indian Ocean, which is warmer than usual right now, and bringing it across Australia, where it starts to condense into droplets over the centre, and comes down as if it's got one purpose in mind, which is to dump all this water on Victoria. In Daylesford we've had about just under 90 millimetres today, so that's we had 14 millimetres yesterday. It's not very clear, but so it's a bit over 100 millimetres, a bit over 4 inches in the last 26 hours or so. And here's the weather map. There's a low pressure system swirling around in the Southern Ocean, which seems to be pushing this this trough over, and to the right there's a high pressure system going anti-clockwise that seems to be impeding its progress. So it's moving very slowly over, it's been over South Australia now, and it's moving slowly over Victoria and it's dumping a bunch of water on us. And there's no problem here around Daylesford, but other people are having a lot of trouble with it. This is the Bureau of Meteorology, what's their website? Here we go. A bit blurry, but anyway. It's SatView, SATVIEW, bomb.gov.au, and it's a Japanese weather satellite. It's just magnificent. Beautiful images every 10 minutes.